Hello everybody, Kevin here from Thompson Leisure in Dromore, and welcome to our Bürstner family. This is some of our current stock we have, and we have more and a lot more coming this year, right from camper vans to motorhomes and right up to the big A classes as well. So here we go. We start off here on our camper van. We've got a little Aliso 540. In the smaller low profiles, we've got the Nexo van as well. I'm moving up into the Licio I A classes. So that's a 736. Then we have got the Big Elegance, the beautiful Big Elegance here, which is a lovely big van. The 745 Aliso I down to the Aliso TD, the 745 as well. And right at the bottom here, we've got another camper van, which is a 602. Okay folks, thank you very much for watching. If you need any more information, please comment below or visit our website just here. My name is Kevin. I'm always contactable again on the number just here. And just keep a lookout for more videos, as we'll do individual videos of all these vans and the upcoming stock we've got as well. Thank you very much for watching. We'll talk soon. Bye bye.